with the title being I created my own Ghostface mask. It's not like I work with the actual company, other than I'm making a ugly DIY myself of a Ghostface starter kit. I'm gonna make a overall like pink Ghostface mask with the shroud. It's gonna be a pink shroud, pink Ghostface mask, and I wish I was talented to knowing how to make a Ghostface panel sculpture, but I can't. I don't have the talent. If I play with Play-Doh, it's already in crumbs and it doesn't come back, so I'm not gonna trust myself with like the chemicals that mask collectors, mask makers use to make a mask. Like, no. So luckily for me, there's a store in McCarty called Mask and More, Mask and Stuff, something like that. So the first thing you need, and you can go support that McCarty account or other mask makers that could make it better. But I just got it because it literally gets here the next day. This is what the blank piece looks like. It feels flimsy. It's not the best, but I really like his mask or her mask. I don't even know who the person behind that account is, but I don't like the eye mesh, but I'm gonna use it either way. I don't know how to show it. And then there's already a sewn shroud. I'm not gonna attach it to that mask. I got like a yard of pink fabric from Walmart, and I didn't know how much was gonna be enough, so I got the last 6, and if not, then I can just return them, you know. And then I have pink acrylic paint and brushes. A lot of mask collectors are gonna be cringing that I said acrylic paint, but yes, I don't have any of those like spray paint, special anything. I'm not gonna invest in it because I'm not a mask maker, so I'm just gonna do this with everything that I could find at home. I could not find pink paint. I don't know where it went, but I have red and white. So I'm just gonna put a big ass ton of white and a little bit of red, and then they'll be pink. Because if you put anything that one squirt, it's gonna be red. I'm not the biggest fan of this eye mesh. It literally looks like a basketball tank top, so I'm gonna not use this. I also got this black paint for the mouth and the nose. Mask collectors, tell me if this is Gucci material. I know clearly it's not, because look, but I'm not sure about masks. Don't you? That should actually on my fucking ankle, bro. Here is a time lapse of me painting the mask. I'm no expert. I'm not expert, so I'm gonna use acrylic paint. Okay, I'm not gonna spend like so much money on something that I really don't give a fucking, but I do give a fucking anyway. Trust the process. Trust. It's such a cute pink. This is how I sewn one side, and it doesn't really matter if it looks ugly. I did it and I'm proud of it, and also either way I'm gonna flip it inside out. That's the point, is to make like the hood, the pointy hood, and then the flap curtains are for your neck. Man, I'm bad at describing. This is why I don't do narrations. Anyway, all I know is that with the hood I ate that shit up. That shit came out perfect. You're gonna need these long thingies to sew in like that, like a taco, so it can look like the hood has like beautiful flaps. So I was pretty proud of myself. I eyeballed everything. I saw no tutorial, as you can tell. I surprisingly didn't measure my big ass head when doing this, so I tried this on not giving a fuck. And it looked like a raincoat protector, and I realized what needed to not be sewn and what needed to be more cut, like these dangly thingies. I look Amish. That hood still ate though. When I tell you I'm surprised that this shit fit through my watermelon fucking bouncy ball, a bowling ball as head. And so here's me trying the hood on back with the corrections. As you can see, it looks a lot better. It looks more like a shroud and not so much like a raincoat. The sewing is ass. I only know how to like sew like band patches. I don't know. I don't have like a sewing machine, so it's gonna look like dookie, but from afar, and if you close your eyes, it's gonna look bomb, okay? So surprisingly, the paint on the mask didn't look like dookie nor crusty, but it looks nice and it looks like a pastel pink. And I'm gonna use the black shroud that came with the kit as the eye mesh, which to me looks a lot better. And also, don't give me shit, I did not have the glue for the eye mesh. I don't have that glue. The shroud, so I sewed the fuck out of it. And I'm very proud of how it looks. Comment down below if you like the way it turned out. Comment down below if you think it looks like dookie. But I think I ate that in making like a full-on pastel pink Ghostface mask / shroud. I think I ate this shit up if you look from afar. And if you see my hair underneath, mind your business. If you like this video, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Anyways, bye hosts.